you could control panel, Swift command. And if you've heard anything about it or what it does, this can talk to the heating. It can talk to the, what's it on this model? Probably 17. Yeah, no. So the 18 models actually talk to the fridge. This one doesn't. This is a 17 model. It also talks to the lights and all sorts of things. Okay, so master switch to switch your 12 volt systems on. Okay. So on your Bailey you had just a little switch that switches your 12 volt systems on. That's that one there. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is menu. So we'll talk through that in a second. Water pump. So that switches your water pump on. Okay. Master switch for your main lights. So they are individually switched, but that will switch them on from that point. Okay. And dimmable lights, which are the ones above the locker and above the bed. So that's your dimmable lights. And then your awning light, so that's the other one, switching your awning light on and off. You've also got the one by the door, that one, and that. So 4 ways of switching one light on. If that's not enough, I don't know what is. Right, so showing on the screen now, this looks rather strange. That should say 14.2, it's got a couple of other digits in there for some reason. So showing on the top line, leisure battery is connected, flash of electric, got electric connected, and clock. Okay? Yeah. Shown on the bottom of the screen is what you may change when you're scrolling through the menu. When I switch the dimmer lights on or off, when I switch it back on again, that will automatically come to the bottom of your screen. So if you want to change the dimmable lights manually, you want to see that there first. So it's at 95%. If I press the select button, we're now at 100%. So these lights above the lockers here. If I press it again, they'll drop down. 5, 10. Yeah. So you can do that manually from there. So 50, 50, whatever. Okay, yeah. Okay. You can scroll up or down on the menu and it'll come back to the same point. So if I go to the top, it'll go all the way around and come back to the same place. So different things we can see. Internal temperature, 14.2 that should say. That's your core temperature. You'll see this is the heating panel, which is exactly the same as your last one. Room temperature. This is core temperature of your van. A little sensor in that down there. So your app, if you obviously connect that, it will let you know if your van's getting cold. So core temperature, not air temperature. AC limit. When you get to site, you will plug your van in electric wise into a bollard. They vary. So the club sites tend to be about 16 amp. Yeah. Usually. Yeah. Other sites may be less. Okay. Continent definitely probably will be less if you go on the continent. So what you can do with this, set a limit. So at the moment it's off. 5 amp. So that's quite low. Yeah. Quite low is 5 amp. We might just have to try and reset this screen a bit because it doesn't look quite right. Right, so AC limit 5 amp. So if we have a bollard, you know what the level it is. It's 5 amp. What you need to do, or what you can do, is